Hi guys! Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Ito po, magluluto po ako ng goulash. Kasi napag-usapan namin ni Pia na hindi na lang ako magluluto ng parang traditional food like turkey, ganyan. Tinanong ko na lang siya kung ano gusto niyang iluto ko. Sabi niya, o sige, gusto ko ng goulash. Sabi niya ganun. With German potato salad. So sabi ko, okay, sige. Actually po, gusto niya kaming dalawa magluto. Pero, hapon na, pagka inumpisa namin to, kasi medyo matagal to slow cooking. Tsaka baka siya matilansikan, ganun. Ako na lang. So, para sigurado, so, ito po yung mga ingredients. 1 kilong kalitiran ng baka, red wine, ground cumin, marjoram, thyme, mga 2 lang nito kasi masyado itong maanghang, chili bird's eye, sweet paprika, pepper, salt, tomato puree, 1 siling hindi masyadong maanghang, ito po, at optional po ito, nor red wine. Panghalo po yan sa mga spaghetti, ganyan, mga ulam, at 2 cloves of garlic. So kung 1 kilo po itong kalitiran, 1 kilo rin po ang sibuyas. Kailangan ko ng matalim na kutsilyo, kaya maghahasa po ako. So, gagamitan ko po nito para madali. Ayan po, takpan muna. At naiiyak ako. So, ayan guys. Para lang po tayo nagmimitsado. Pero, iba yung mga nilalagay nila.
I'm not happy.
Why?
That fucking heat-resistant paint making me that I bought is absolutely useless.
The one that you bought.
Yeah, you know I baked it in the oven.
Oh yeah.
It's absolutely useless.
Really?
Yeah.
You made a lot of work on that.
Yeah. And I had it all shot glass. The paint that I bought, heat resistant paint, they said the instructions, give it one coat, leave it for 20 minutes to dry, give it another coat, leave it for 20 minutes, give it another coat, leave it for an hour, then put it in the oven and bake it for 180 degrees for an hour. I did all that, right? I'm putting the bite together. Every time I touch it, it just flakes off. And I thought, well, this ain't right. Now I've got my fingernail, I went like that. It all flakes off my fingernail.
So what will you do now?
I want to complain about it. Paint's useless.
Lagay nga natin dito to. Lagi ko hinahanap eh. So ito po, slice lang. Konti lang po silang maglagay ng bawang. At ini-slice pa. Ayan po, let's start. Beef goulash. Po magpainit ng konting oil. I-caramelize muna ang sibuyas. Mahina po ang mga apoy ng kalan dito kasi malamig. Ayan po, nag-translucent na ang sibuyas. Ilagay ang baka. Ayan po, lagyan po ng 2 tablespoon tomato puree. Two tablespoon sweet paprika. Mga dalawang ganito na dinikdik. Ayan po, dinikdik ko ang dalawa. One tablespoon marjoram. One teaspoon thyme. One half teaspoon ground cumin. Pepper, dalawang nor red wine, optional. One teaspoon chicken powder or beef powder. Pwede na rin po ito. Lagyan ng 1 cup red wine. Ilagay ang mild chili. Lagyan ng 1 cup water. Ilagay ang garlic. Lagyan ng pinch of sugar. Lagyan ng konting magic sarap. Pinoy tayo di ba? Lagyan ng bay leaf. Lagyan pa po ng 1/2 cup water para hindi matuyuan. Lagyan pa po ng wine. Pasingawin lang po ang alcohol. Ayan po, hindi ko muna po lalagyan ng salt. Isalin dito. At slow cook po para melt in your mouth. Ayan po, ilagay sa oven. For 160 degrees centigrade. So palambutin po yan ng 1.5 hours, ganyan. Depende. Ayan po, hanggang mamaya po. So, ayan po, after 2.5 hours, tingnan na natin ang beef goulash. Ayan po, malambot na.
Is that what you just did in the oven? And what would you call it?
Beef goulash.
Beef goulash.
Thank you. Ayan guys, pahinga muna ako. Ayan po, gagawa naman po ako ng German potato salad. Nalaga ko na po ang salad potato. Himayin. O, slice dito na maninipis. Ayan po, gagawa naman ako ng dressing. Kalahati ng sibuyas na malaki. I-dice. Dito po maglagay ng 3 tablespoon salad oil. Lagay ang sibuyas. Lagay ng 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Lagay ng 1 cup water. Lagyan ng 3 tablespoon vinegar. Lagyan ng pepper. Lagyan ng pinch of sugar. Pasingawin ang vinegar. Timplahan ng salt. Kunti lang. Maglagay ng 1 teaspoon dried parsley. Ngayon po, huwag masyadong lutuin. I-boost dito sa boiled sliced potato. Haluin. Takpan po hanggang sa ma-absorb ng patatas ang dressings. At maya-maya po, haluin ulit. Hello. Hello.
That train ride isn't so bad.
From Edinburgh. Oh, but it's cold up there, isn't it?
It's cold. Windy. You can't breathe.
No.
Like the wind is going to your face.
Yeah, it's been pretty bad down here the last couple of nights. Last night it was really bad.
Like wind or cold? Both.
Wind.
Yeah.
And it was cold.
Yeah, it was windy, cold, and then I needed gloves if you're walking outside. And then I would tuck it here, but it wouldn't be enough. I needed something warm. Wow, grabe naman yung filter. Hindi ko na pala kailangan mag-makeup.